Hey lovelies, welcome back again to another video. How you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. So guys, I woke up super hungry this morning, don't know why, so I decided to make myself some five-star breakfast. Yeah, for me this is a five-star breakfast, but let me know what you think in the comment section. I started by making some scrambled egg. This egg, I added milk, salt, a little bit of seasoning cube, and black pepper. I also warm up milk for the kids. So I also went ahead and sauteed some cherry tomatoes, which I ended up eating by myself because my kids did not like it. Cut up some watermelon and added some melons. Right now I'm just adding some croissants, some chocolate bread, which were super fresh, right from the oven. I also went ahead, made myself a cup of coffee, but I ended up adding some milk. Yes, it's a five-star breakfast. What do you think? Right now, I'm done. Yes, just showing you guys this amazing, this delicious, this yummy goodness. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Do you rate this five-star? Even though I know bacon is missing though, yeah, as a French breakfast, there had to be bacon sitting on that plate, but this breakfast was not planned, so I made do with what I had at home. So guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and follow this page, and also let me know what you think in the comment section. Meanwhile, my kids enjoyed this meal. They could not stop saying, "Oh mommy, it's looking so beautiful."
Not the life.
It's so delicious, it's so yummy, and all that good stuff.